In this video, we will continue with Insert tab. The first option in Insert tab is to add a header to my document. The header is the white space at the top of page. Uh, for all pages, the header is a white space for my pages. So for this page, this is the header section, and in this page, this is the header section. To add the header, first step I go to Insert, Header. From this list, I can choose the style I want. For example, once I click on the style I need, Word will open Design tab and close editing area where I can type text and open header area. So when I go to Insert, Header and choose the style I need for my header, the Word will close the editing area and open the header area where I can type my text. For example, if I need to add my ID, I can add my ID. You can notice that the header will directly change on all pages. Also, from header, I can directly change the style. I can change the style, and once I finish, I click on close header, and now the header applied for all pages. So let's add a blank page. I will add a blank page. Also in a blank page, the header is directly applied. To remove header, I go to Insert, from Headers, down here I have the option to remove header. I click on it and the header will be removed. So again, to add a header, from Insert, Header, I choose the style I need. For example, I need this style. I edit the text. For example, here I will type CSCI 200, and once I finish, I click on close header and footer. The same for footer. Footer is the white space at the bottom of my pages. So, and to apply footer, same as for header, I go to Insert, Footer. I choose the style I need. For example, once I choose the style I need, Design tab will open, the editing area will close, and footer area will open where I can customize my text. For example, here I will type introduction to computers, and here we'll type for example my ID. Same as for header, from here I can change the style. For example, I will apply this style. I can change the style. I can different first page. So in the first page, the header will not be applied. So in first page, the footer will not be applied. So in first page, the footer will not be applied and will be applied for second and third page. So will be applied for all pages other than first page. Also, I can different the odd and even page. So for example, header will be applied for odd but not applied for even pages. Once I finish, I click on close header and footer. The same. To remove footer, I click on Insert, Footer, and Remove Footer. So to add footer, from Insert, Footer, I choose the layout I need, then I edit the text. After editing the text and finish, I click on close header and footer. And to remove, from Insert, Footer, I click on remove footer. Now for page number, I will remove headers also. From header, I click on remove header. Now for the page number, I can add the page number from here at the top of my page, at the bottom of my page, and a page margin on the left or on the right of my pages. This is the area of left margin and right margin. Also, I can, from page number, I can format my page numbers or to remove page number. So let's say I need to insert page number of on the bottom of my pages. So I will go to insert page number. I will choose page bottom of page. I will choose the style I need. Same as for header and footer, the editing area will be closed and page area or footer area will be open. From here I can change the layout directly. For example, if I need here, because I check different first page, the page number is not on first page. If I need to add it again to first page, I uncheck this box. So now I have page 1 and page 2. Once I finish, I click on close header and footer. If I need now to change formatting of my page number, so I go to insert page number. From here, format page number. Now I have 1, 2, 3. I can select ABC, a capital ABC. I can choose Roman numbers, capital Roman numbers. Let's say I need to use capital Roman number. For example, I need to start not by 1, I will need to start by 5. And click on OK. Now you can see that for Roman number, I started my pages with 5, 6, and 7. So VI, V, VI, V to I for Roman number. If I need to convert back to 1, 2, 3, from here, insert, page number, format page number. Instead of Roman number, I go back and select 1, 2, 3 and start. For example, I need to start by 5. Now 5, 6, and 7. Also, to remove page number, I can click on insert, page number, remove page number. So from insert, I can add header, footer, page number, and format these options, or to remove again these options. Let's try now to add page number at the margin. Again, from here, I can, if I have, for example, the page number at the bottom, let's format again the page number. I will go to page number, format page number, start at 1. At any time, I can directly from page number change from bottom, for example, to put it at the margin, for example, at left margin, or to add it at right margin. And once finished, I click on close header. Also, I can insert a text box. From insert, I can add a text box. I can inside the text box, I can write anything I want. For example, here I will generate a random paragraph. Once I add a text box, you will notice also that a format tab opened. If I click outside text box, it will close. Again, once I click on the text box, the format tab will open. I can, from the format tab, change the shape style. I can change the style. I can change the fill color, for example. I can change the outline. The outline is the border. For example, let's make a big border. I can change the border outline color. Also the style. For example, I will put it as dashed. Also, I can change the text effect. Word art style is for text effect. I can change the text effect, change the text color, add a outline for my text, and add, for example, a reflection for my text, or shadowing or glow. I can add many style to my text. Also, I can change the direction inside my text box. From here, I can switch between direction. I can change the align of my text. For example, here the align is middle, top, or I can add bottom align. Also, I can change the wrapping position. For example, I can add same as of for picture. I can add it as square. So if let's resize, I can put it here as a square inside my. From here, I can add it as a square. I can add it tight, through, top and bottom, so no text at the left or at the right, behind my text, in front my text. Also, I can editing the wrapping point. For example, I can do like that to change the text around my text box, or let's simply move it down. From here, I will put it as a square and move it down to the end of my document. So in using mouse, I can drag and move my text box. To delete my text box, I can click on the border and I click on delete button on the keyboard. So again, to add an insert text box, from here I add text box. From format tab, I can customize. I can change the style, shape style. I can change the text from word style art. I can change direction. I can change alignment. Also, I can change the wrapping position of my text box according to my paragraphs. Another option in insert tab is to add a word art. From here, I click on insert. From the A is the word art. I click on word art. I can add the text I need. For example, good luck. From where also format tab will open, I can change, same as for text box, I can change the shape style. I can change the text style from word art style. I can add effect. I can change direction. The same options that we see for insert text box, and for sure the option of wrapping text. Now I will choose this paragraph, and from here I will choose dropped, and I will select this paragraph, and from insert to drop cap I will choose margin. I have these two options for my drop cap. The first one will be added inside the paragraph, and the second option, it will be added on the margin. Also, I can change drop cap options. For example, from here I will go to insert drop cap. I will change drop cap option. First, I can choose the type I need, if it dropped or on margin. I can choose how many lines must be the drop cap, and the distance from drop cap to my paragraph. For example, I will put it 2 inches. You can see the drop cap take 2 lines, and this is the space I added between my drop cap and my text. Also, I can insert a math equation. For math equation, I go to insert. From here I have equation. I have a predefined equations. For example, this equation, can add this equation. Also, I can add my own equation. From insert equation, I go to insert new equation. The equation design, the design tab will open. Well, I have all what I need to add my equations. Let's say I need to create a fraction from x over y. For example, x over y greater than or equal. From here I select greater than or equal to, for example, let's say a b. Like this, I add my own equation. So again, to add an equation, I go to insert equation, insert a new equation. Design tab will open. I have all the options I need here. For example, let's try to add an integral. I will add an integral, for example, from 1 to 10 of x over y. I can add any equation I need, especially for math and chemistry. But for better management for equation, if you notice, if you try to move now the equation to put it where you need, it's not too easy to manage it. So the best option to add an equation is to add it inside a text box. So first step, I go to text box. From text box, I go now to insert equation. I can add any equation I need, and for text, now I can move the text box wherever I need. Also, I can change for the text box the wrapping text, for example, to add top and bottom. And now if I need to hide the border of my text box from here, from outline, I choose no outline. Now if I click outside the text box, the border will disappear, but still I can, when I click on the text box, I can move it easily where I put the equation where I need exactly. Finally, if I want to insert any special character does not exist on my keyboard, so I go to from insert symbol. Here I have the most used symbols in this list. Also, if I need another symbol, I can click on more symbols. I will have a long list. I can change the category and choose any symbol I need. For example, let's say I need for this symbol. I will add this symbol. Once I click on symbol I need to add, I click on insert, close, the symbol now is added. I can here from home change the size, make it bold, italic, underline. I can apply any effect I need. For example, I can also change the color. So I can add any symbol, and for each symbol I can go to again to font panel and apply any effect I need. So on. These all the options we want to see in insert tab. Thank you.